Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 1 over 7 to the power of 1 over 7. So if you focus on this problem, this is written into the exponent form. So now first we write this into the radical form, and after that I can just apply here the laws of radicands, and we can simplify our required algebraic expression. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will solve without using the calculator. So here first we write this into the radical form by using this radical law. You know that if you have nth root of a, we write it as a to the power of 1 over n. It means that if you have 1 over 7, we write this into the 7th root of 7. Okay, so we write this as in this form. So our base is 1 over 7, and we write 1 over 7 as 7th root in this way. Okay, after this step here we need another radical law. So according to this radical law we will just write it as if you have a over b and its nth root, we write it as nth root of a divided by nth root of b. So here we apply this radical law on this term, and we separate the 7th root on both of these terms, and we write this in this way. Here you have 7th root of 1 and 7th root of 7. So here we also know that if you have nth root of 1 is equals to 1, it means that 7th root of 1 is also equals to 1. So we write our numerator as equals to 1, and it is divided by this 7th root of 7. So after that here we need another radical law. So here we write any radical term in this way. If you have 1 over nth root of a, so we write it as 1 over nth root of a, and it is multiplied by a to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root, and it is divided by a to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root. Okay, so we use here this nice radical law. So according to this radical law we will write this expression as in this way. So here we apply this radical law. So first we write this term as it is 1 over 7th root of 7, and it is multiplied by 7 to the power of 7 minus 1 and its 7th root. It is divided by 7th root of 7 to the power of 7 minus 1. Okay, so here we use the above radical law, and we need some simplifications here, and we write it as this will become 7 to the power of 7 minus 1 equals to 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root, and in the denominator we have 7th root of 7 multiplied by 7th root of 6 and its 7th root of 7 to the power of 6. Okay, so after this step here we need another radical law. So you know that if we have nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b, so we write it as nth root of a multiplied by b. So here according to this radical law we can write the denominator as in this form. So we have 7 times of 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root. So we write this expression as in this form. So we get 7 to the power of 6 and its 7th root, and it is divided by, here you have 7 to the power of 6. So you see that bases on these two terms are same, so we add its exponents and we write it as 7th root of 7 to the power of 1 plus 6. Okay, So after this step, we write our above expression as in this form: 7 to the power of 6 and its seventh root divided by seventh root of 7 to the power of, this is 1 plus 6, equals to 7. Okay, so here further we need another exponent law or another radical law. So you know that if we have a to the power of n and its nth root, so this n and nth root are cancelled by each other and we get a only. Okay, so according to this radical law, this 7 and this 7 are cancelled by each other and we get the seventh root of 7 to the power of 6 and it is divided by 7 only. Okay, so after this step we have here we need to focus on this 7 to the power of 6, and you know about the meaning of 7 to the power of 6. So 7 to the power of 6 means that we will multiply this 7 on 6 times in this way. Okay, so here if you make the pair of these sevens, these two sevens, so you get, this is 7 cubed multiplied by 7 cubed, and if you can multiply 7 cubed with 7 with 3 times, then you obtain 343, and it is multiplied by 7 cubed and it is also written as 343. So here, in order to move further, we need to multiply these two terms, and here you can use the traditional method of multiplication in order to get the product of these two numbers, or in other words, you will obtain here 343 square. Okay, so if you can multiply these type of numbers, then you will get the output of these type of terms here, because you see here, this is the traditional multiplication which you learn about in your primary classes, and I hope so you easily multiply these 3 digits number. Okay, so I think so you cannot have any problem to multiply this type of numbers without using the calculator. So here I can I can just save some time, because I have already the video is very long, so that now in order to save some time I can just write the exact answer of these product of these two numbers. So finally we write 7 to the power of 6 equals to 117649. Okay, so now we need to replace this value of 7 to the power of 6 here, and it will be written as 7th root of 117649, and it is divided by 7. So this is our final simplified form of the given algebraic expression. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.